Earlier, my opponent claimed that animal testing was humane. However, this species is reported by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which doesn't include the mice, birds, fish, and invertebrates. Most of the 100,000-ton animals were subject to unrelieved pain and distress, and most of these animals were used in laboratories for various testing procedures, primarily vaccine potency testing. He also brought up that they are looking for the cure, that monkeys have a similar disease to AIDS. And while they do have a similar disease to AIDS, but it's not the same disease as AIDS. Finding a cure to monkey AIDS will only help monkeys. And so if we want to spend a lot of money on doing that, go ahead, but I'd rather find a cure to human AIDS. With only and also because 92% of medications that pass clinical trials fail for human trials, that means there's only an 8% chance of this monkey AIDS virus that we spend all this money on working for humans, and that's just not working for me. We need to choose another method. Overall, animal-based research is just bad science. The advantage of cell cultures, molecular studies, and use of human volunteers via microdosing is using a human model. And if you're studying the right species, you're going to get the right answer. Recent HIV drugs have been developed using solely computer modeling with no animal research. And these drugs were actually developed a long time ago, but then they were put on the shelf because they failed animal testing. And the animal testing, they tested on dogs, and they killed all the dogs they tested on. But then when they finally looked at the molecules and tested them on humans, they found that it actually helped the symptoms of HIV. And they also said that in vitro testing is pretty much junk science. Their claim was that it was junk science because it wasn't living cells, because it wasn't living organism, but it is living cells. And so when we're looking at this stuff on a cellular and molecular level, we don't need the whole organism. We just need the parts that are affected. And while there are a lot of things that came about because of animal research, unfortunately, there are a number of things in society that came through the exploitation of others. For instance, many of our roads were built by slaves. So I just would like you to think if the animal testing, or also, they could not come up with a single instance where something passed computer testing but then failed on humans. But we were able to come up with many examples of things where they passed animal testing but failed on humans. So think about that, and thank you.